Cartman Productions.
Hey guys.
Max. We're gonna put a proper muffler on the Red Charger bike today. So we're gonna cut the muffler off this header and weld it onto the header on his current pit bike. This is off of his 50cc parts bike. That's a really clean cut for me. The pipe's already bent, and you probably want it coming out straight. It's kind of rough because I had a weld on there.
Yeah, I hope you.
So if I grind down that weld a little bit, I can slide this on there and get really strong weld.
I'm gonna go over the map with you shortly after you're done.
Alright. Hey, we got it.
Dude, that seems like it's be strong.
This is made to go on. Alright.
You need to get my mom's phone number.
I do need to get your mom's phone number. The memes would be endless. I could cure her depression. Anyways, go ahead and fire her up. Let's see what she sounds like. Just don't rev it. Bruh. It almost spit a flame. It didn't spit a flame, but I'm sure it spit a flame inside of there.
Oh,
Review the footage, guys. Like I said, it's a lot louder now. So
shite.
let's not go around revving it like you normally do, okay? Okay, Max?
Oh.
It does sound cooler, I'll give it that.
Oh no.
I'm sure the neighbors agree. Alright guys, Red Charger bike's new muffler.